Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this one, I'm going to be breaking down what we call the proximity model. This is the model that we use to hit 50K a month as a team of two without burning out, without sacrificing freedom, without burning a load of cash on expenses that don't really get you results. And if you're a coach or a consultant or an agency owner like I was previously, this is going to be super useful for you. So a lot of the time people get stuck just selling one thing, and whilst having one offer is important, you can sell different levels of access to that offer, and that's what I really want to break down in this video. But before I get into that, I want to break down how we actually got here, because in 2022 I burnt out running an agency. We had a really great team in the UK. We had an overseas team as well, doing editing, VAs, design. Like, on paper, everything looked good. And we had clients that paid a lot of money. A client paid £40,000 in a year, had a client paying anywhere between £4,500 to nearly £8,000 a month in performance fees, had another client paying, £5,000 within a month and £75,000 over the course of a year. So we had some big clients. We had, ups and downs with the cash flow. And from the outside, things look great, right? But internally, I was struggling. I got to a point where I was just like really out of shape. And I'm somebody who has always been into fitness, always been into looking after myself. And I was drinking all the time, right? I was constantly stressed. I was constantly anxious. And I was literally drinking every night just to switch my brain off. And I was eating like shit. So I put the weight on. I just felt depressed. I didn't feel good. And this just got worse and worse throughout the year. Our business was up and down. We had a lot of expenses. And I just felt like the work I was putting in was not appreciated from clients. And I just wasn't, rewarded with what I wanted out of business, which wasn't just finances, it was freedom, right? I started an online business because I wanted freedom. I love to travel. I love to do things, even just being able to take a simple trip. Like, we flew from the UK to Copenhagen for 2 nights. And I remember being on this trip, and whilst, we did have fun, at the same time, I was constantly on my phone. I was constantly checking Slack. I was constantly answering messages, and I was really stressed. And it shouldn't be like that. You should be able to switch off. You should be able to have a good time. You should be able to travel with your business and it not be this thing that just consumes you. So I made 3 big decisions at the end of 2022. I got engaged to my now wife of 2 years. We decided to move back to Australia, which is where we first met, where my wife is from, and, get permanent residency so I could live there, forever, which is where I'm based now. And I invested heavily back into mentors, but mentors that I aligned with. Previous to this, I was investing in programs where, really I was following the wrong path. I was trying to build something that wasn't what I actually wanted to build. And so I feel like I was just on the wrong path. And so looking for guidance and reinvesting in mentors. Now, through the start of 2023 till today, this is the model that I use, and it's called the proximity model. And the concept is simple. People are paying for proximity and access to you, right? So the IP and process is the same. You're not selling different offers, but people are either paying more or paying less for the level of proximity and the level of support that they want or need. And we supercharge all of this with AI systems. So this is an overview of what our model looks like. On the inner circle, we have partnerships. This is like our done for you offer. And we're not quite an agency. There's 2 of us, and we don't have a big agency team. Instead, we just work with a handful of people, and we work on a performance basis. So we have clients, typically doing 7 figures, some high 6 figures. We've worked with 8-figure clients in the past as well. But really, these are established coaches who have a really good offer, and they just need help with their marketing because they don't have a full marketing team, and especially in paid advertising. We have one-to-one clients. These are people who, have a private one-to-one channel with us, and we jump on calls bi-weekly and just go through our processes and help guide them in, as much detail and depth as we can. And then we have program members, and we just launched a reiterated version of our program just over a week ago. And this is obviously the lowest price point of the offer, but it's very hands-off once it's been built. And I'm going to break down how that looks in more detail, but I also want to show you kind of examples of how you would apply this to different businesses, because we're coming from the angle of being an agency going into sort of coaching, consulting, and mentoring. But for a lot of our clients, they run this model and they're not, they're not that. Some of them are in B2C. So this is how we can apply it to other niches. In fitness and personal development, it can look like this. We can have on the outer rim, we can have like a group coaching or app support. We can have one-to-one coaching or events, and we can have retreats, right? There's other ways to do it. This is an example of some of the clients that we worked with. Luke was a men's performance coach we worked with. Rita was a women's health coach. TRA was a mindset manifestation coach we worked with. Different offers, but they ran this model within their business. Then on the mindset and spiritual certification side, it's like on the outer rim, we have courses and workshops. Then we have coaching and support, and then we have certifications. So there's a natural ascension for some of this as well. And some of the clients that we've worked with, alternative health, personal development, spiritual development, where they will have coaching, they will have courses, and they also have certifications to, help their clients kind of go to that next level and actually, offer the service themselves. So these are really, really good offers. And then we have business consulting. So, programs and workshops, which is like the most leveraged. Then we have one-to-one consulting, access to team and hiring. And we've done that in different ways with different clients. So Callum was an ecom consulting and had different levels to the service they provide. Remote Fit Pro, online fitness business mentors, where they had sort of more leveraged self-paced programs, group coaching, one-to-one coaching, and high-level sort of mastermind support there. And then Andrea is in a C-suite development offer. So she has a team of high-level, C-suite who go in and, either consult with people, their programs, their workshops, but then also on a high level, they do fractional work. So really good sort of done for you, access to team, access to hiring within this model. So you can apply this to a lot of different niches. These are just some of the examples of some of the clients that we work and have worked with. And that's the proximity model sort of in real time. Now, if we want to break this down a bit further, this model means that we can still go deep with a handful of partners who pay us well, but we're not under pressure to scale a big agency and take on clients we don't want to work with, right? That was really important for us. Like, I enjoy partnerships. I enjoy done for you, but we scaled up and we got to the point where we had like 10 partners on. This was about a year ago. And I found, just those old feelings coming back of stress and anxiety. And I realized that either we need to grow a big team or we just need to streamline things. And so over the course of the last 12 months, we actually stripped the done for you back, and we work with less people, but just in a more, deep way, basically. So taking them on as an actual partner. And that's really beneficial because especially when you work on a performance level, you don't need to have a lot of clients to get paid well. We can just work with them and get paid, based on the results that we generate, which we love to do. And then with the one-to-one coaching and support, that just allows us to leverage ourselves a bit further because, it is a lot more leverage doing sort of coaching or consulting versus done for you work. And now with the program, that's even more leverage, right? Because a lot of it's pre-built. And I'm going to show you how we use AI to really enhance that as well. Now, all of this just means more freedom. So the last few years of sort of building this model out have been really beneficial. So a couple of years ago, I was able to have, my dream wedding with my wife. We were able to travel the US, around Southeast Asia. Last year, we spent a whole month in Japan where I was working less than an hour a day. And it was all because we had the right model in place, right? I wasn't burnt out. I wasn't, stuck behind my laptop for 12 hours a day like I was, a few years ago. I also have more time for my health, right? That was not a priority for me in 2022. I was out of shape and also just mentally just not in a good spot. So now for me, like, health comes first, not just in terms of how I look, but how I feel and how I show up in my marriage and how I show up for clients and how I show up for friends. So health for me has always been really important. And, for me, that's at the backbone of this. If I don't have time for my health and my mental health isn't good because I've stretched myself too thin and I'm just constantly in the beck and call of client work, then for me, it's not worth building. And I have a business that I actually enjoy running, which I think is the most important part of this when it comes to your business model, right? There's no one way to do things. And if you're watching this and you're really stressed with the business you're running right now, sometimes you need to take a step back to see the bigger picture, like I did. And you need to realize that you are designing the life and business, whether you want it or not, right? So it's up to you, the kind of business that you want to run. So I run this now with my business partner, Phil, and he is like the systems and ops behind the business. So I do a lot of the front facing, client and content side of things. Phil really is like a powerhouse with the systems and operations, which isn't my strongest area of expertise. Now, Phil's actually a client of mine several years ago, back when I was running the agency, and he previously grew a multi seven figure coaching business during the pandemic. Now, during this time, everything fell heavily into group coaching. And the flaw of this model at the time was that if people didn't turn up to the calls, they struggled to get results. And I saw this myself as well, because I launched a program a couple of years ago and we had about 20 people run through it. And what I noticed was, a handful of people would turn up to the calls and get really good results. And then some people just didn't turn up to the calls. And that for me just felt pointless. Like, one, they're not going to stick around and pay, but two, they're not going to get results. And if the coaching relies heavily on people turning up to a group call, that's fundamentally flawed. And like most programs, when Phil was running this, there was a lot of information to learn, digest, and apply. That's just the nature of it. And I've been through a lot of those programs as well. But things have changed rapidly with AI, so we don't have to sit there and go through hours and hours of information and try and distill it for, our own understanding. We use Claude to deliver our trainings in real time for clients, and it's trained on hundreds of hours of inputs, call recordings, and our expertise that's accumulated over the last 12 years for myself. I think 15 years for Phil. We've been doing this for a long time. And if you think about a lot of coaching, consulting, mentorship programs, the way they're built, and maybe yours is built like this right now, is that you're trying to take all this information inside of your head and give it to somebody and say, hey, here's like a 3-hour training on this or a 2-hour training on this. And they're trying to absorb all this information rapidly and then apply it to their own situation. And it's just not going to happen, right? This, as I said, this took me 12 years to get to where I'm at and my level of expertise. Rather than have somebody, try and train somebody up to be at my level and understand all the things I understand, if I can just give them the systems that's pre-built and they can just run through it and just apply it to their own situation, you are just streamlining the process so much for people. I know for myself, a big part of what I do is around paid advertising. And a lot of our clients say they hate paid ads. They hate learning about paid ads. So rather than sit here and try and take somebody through a 5-hour, training on paid ads, if I just build the system, put it in Claude, and then Claude just helps them just run it, it's going to be so much more effective and more enjoyable for them as well. And so we use Claude in a way where, rather than you just turn up and ask Claude a question, because you don't necessarily know the best questions to ask, we build it out so that it's like it understands everything it needs to ask. It knows all the, the questions to pull out what it needs to pull out for each various thing. Like this, for example, is the offer builder. So when it comes to offers, we have a process around that, which, we've trained Claude up, and it works like a on-demand consultant, which is just pulling all of this information out of you and taking it through our framework to create the offer. So instead of having to go through a 2-hour, training on offers, you can just work live with Claude to get this built out. And it's going to know what's good and it's going to know what's bad because we've trained it to do that, right? So it's really, really powerful. And it essentially is like interviewing the client, applying our frameworks to get them the results that they need, instead of, again, going through a really long training, which most of the time people don't even finish, and then they just don't end up doing the work. So most group coaching sucks. And this is the model that has been running for a long time, and some people have adjusted it like we have. A lot of people haven't, but I think this is what most people do when it comes to group coaching. Somebody asks a question, they wait 3 to 5 days to get a response, or they wait in line to ask you a queue on a group coaching call, right? So like I've been on group coaching calls and programs where I'm sat there for like 2 hours waiting for everybody else just to ask a question, and then you get to answer, or you get to ask your question, and then you just get like a really short response because the person running is tired. They've just answered a load of questions and they don't want to, spend 20 minutes for each client going through that. They don't have the time to do that. So naturally, that's a flawed model. It's not very good. And there's two reasons why people ask questions. Is number one is because they haven't fully understood the training that you're taking you're taking them through. And two, they need feedback on what they're doing. Now we can offer that. We can offer that in more real time. And so if AI can remove the 2-hour video lessons, we still need to offer support, right? Like people don't want to just go through an automated program. That's not that valuable. We want to offer for support. And for me, that's important as well. I enjoy helping people. So that's why we use asynchronous feedback. So someone asks a question, then when we're online, we answer that question. And if they need more context, then we go deeper into it. We give them like a Loom video review, right? Or you can use voice chat. Like there's different ways to do it. But for me personally, I like using Looms to give a visual. Like if somebody's sort of sending me, their ads or their content to review, rather than, waiting to jump on a group coaching call, I can do that in 2 or 3 minutes. They get a much better, much more concise answer, and they don't have to wait 3 to 5 days. And then for me, it's done, and I can move on to helping the next person. Now, this saves coaching calls for one-to-ones and workshops. I think coaching calls are still valuable, but they're not for everybody, and not everybody can afford to pay for that premium for one-to-one, and that's fine. Like you don't have to work with people in that level. Like this is why we have different levels with the proximity model. So your lower priced offer, they don't get one-to-one with you because they're not paying that premium. If people work one-to-one with you, then you can do that. If you have like a done for you type offer, then they get that level of support as well. I think workshops are a little bit different. That's a bit more, as opposed to a group coaching call where somebody just lines up and asks you a question. A workshop is a lot more hands-on. You're working through something together. I think that's really powerful. I think that's the only form of sort of group call that really should be in a program in 2026. So this is the proximity model. In the next video on this channel, I'm going to show you how we use what we call the Instagram feeder funnel to actually get people into our offers in the first place. So once we have the model in place, next we look at the marketing to actually go and promote this. So looking forward to sharing that with you. If you do want to find out more around working with us inside of our program, I'll put a link below. You can check out a video that breaks it down in more detail. But other than that, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you in the next one.